our phone numbers there on top of TV, make it begin the call us. In case you just join us, we do on top of the night show. And for the ladies today, with the sell, is it not be sell? With the auction, actually waiting there for our mind now, say easy bit one carry somebody go on a date, just dates, nothing go happen. No, una go just greet on yourself, finish. Una go drink ice cream. If you can't get where they take ice cream, you go take ice cream. If you can't get where they do nkwabi, you go do nkwabi. If you can't where they like a recharge card, they will give you a recharge card. Then you go house, easy bit go carry you come out. Una go snap picture, you can post that for Instagram or for Twitter and Facebook. Now what thing will they do today? So anybody will win. We don't get how much? We don't get 1,000. That person get 1,000. Very poor. We don't get 1,000. We don't get 1 million. We don't get 3 million. We don't get 20 million. We don't get 40 million dollars. Then we don't come get pounds. And some kind of men too. Where shame not the catch. They call the price easy bit. I don't know what you want to do with him. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, our phone number there on top of TV. Call us, make we know. Hello. Hey, Indo. Hello. Hey. Hey. Indo. What do you want carry easy bit to do? Hey.
Indo.
Indo. If you don't know who be this Indo, eh? Anyway, and then for the men, we say which of these women you go like marry? Woman will be stripper, woman will be army officer, woman will be Nollywood actress, woman will be fitness trainer, weightlifter, or lawyer. And me, I know the one will go marry. Easy bit. Over to you. Choose one. Which of these women you go marry?
I feel marry lawyer.
Why?
Yeah.
Well, did they ask question anyhow for house?
Of course, yes. They ask question, but at least by then they will still they organize. At least we not talk, we go to talk. So I don't know if you go my strip, I will say everybody they see them. Then they shake bomb everywhere. The actress where they people go they touch them anyhow.
Oh, wait. Why you no one marry stripper? Give me one reason why you no one marry stripper.
Stripper?
Wait before you answer. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Hello, my sister in the Lord. How is you?
I'm fine. Nedu. Nedu, I like your show, but you wicked though.
What did I do? Gloria! Hey!
You know, say things they hard now. So, you know, the things they hard. So, you're supposed to put not 500. You're supposed to put on 250. At least it start from there. We go the price and go up. Why would they do like this now?
Oh, Gloria, God, you will make heaven. Gloria, your name there for first list for heaven. So, how much you want buy?
I won't buy anyway, Sha. The way things take there now. Anyway, Sha, if you take I'm not gonna feel price 250, Sha, but I go take 300. Let's just say 300.
But people
300 naira.
But people don't price pass you now. Eh? She didn't hear herself on TV.
Yeah.
I think you will like that amount now.
300. Gloria, why?
Wait.
Easy bitch, maybe you will like that amount now.
Why 300?
Okay.
So you support Niru for 300.
Bye, Gloria. You want to hear yourself for TV before you talk? No. Hello, Rosemary.
Yes.
My sister in the Lord, are you with me?
I'm with you. 2-4.
Thank you, my. How much you want to buy?
How you want sell easy bit? Why you just auction easy bit like that?
See, not be say we dey sell them. Now for dates, una go.
Why you dey auction easy bit?
No, una go Kevin and other thing. Your TV loud. Hey, bye, Rosemary, your TV there too loud. Hello. Okay, now, Michael, if on top Twitter, Michael, if it will come to you, Michael, oil. He say, I not fit marry stripper, Nollywood woman, but I fit manage army woman. Yeah, okay, you are dead. DED dead. Yeah, if you talk anything, that kind of any soup she cook for you, now you must chop. He say, honey, there's too much fat before you they cut short. Before the tea they reach you. Pap! Slap don't enter your man. And then we say, come on, do press up. Do 40 press up. God will meet you at the point of your need. General Indo come to us and say, try DJ Easy Bit, then don't finish you, I swear. But as for me, in fine, in get swag, in they okay. 53 naira.
It's not good for you. Into you are dead.
53 naira dey okay.
Then make
okay,
am be
sha.
call. You want talk spoil. Into.
Make I manage am. Hey! Agbef! Rapture never carry you. Agbef!
Late, where you dey?
Agbef! Where you go?
I go do fasting.
We think say Rapture don't carry you.
No, say I dey do fasting since I just do salad last week I start to call again.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
I dey do fasting since I know what they make, cause that's why.
Oh, nice one. How your madam?
Is it for you?
Where she dey cook?
Hello?
What did she dey do? She dey cook, abi she don't lie down?
She dey cook.
As usual. As usual. Now, which one? You want buy easy beat, abi you want choose wife?
I want choose wife. What I buy is to do now. I be man. I want to consider
If you be your house boy, you don't know. Or you go buy for your landlord daughter. Who knows?
If you say make I buy, make they follow me, they do work. I'll be buyer.
Or you go buy for your landlord daughter, so you're not going to pay rent again.
Okay, I like your way. I like the way. That was it, good show.
So how much?
Hello.
Would they Agbef, how much you go buy for your landlord daughter?
I go easy beat.
Yeah.
As they say, so easy beat. Not easy beat. Easy beat, I call her. The boy, he took asshole.
Hey!
I think, yeah. So I don't know the money when I was there buy, my money don't go reach. Because nobody will buy the beat.
Nobody.
Anybody when they say the price, so their money not reaches the beat.
I bet.
So boy, nobody will
See, now washing Agbef, they wash you.
I'll clap for Agbef.
Agbef, bye-bye. Agbef, we don't hear you. Bye-bye. Now washing. Peter, good evening from Benin.
Good evening. How you doing?
Are you with me?
I did with you, hello.
Which one you want buy? Easy beat or choose wife?
Now, one by it to my younger sister.
How old be your younger sister?
She's at 25.
Now 35.
25.
25. Ungwa, how much you go buy easy beat?
Well, I'm going to buy easy for 60,000 naira.
20,000 naira.
50.
50,000 naira.
Yes, so.
You sure say you go fit pay?
I will be paid because that's what we talk when they offer $20,000, £10,000. They don't say affordable.
My brother, Peter.
Yes.
Peter.
Yes.
What do your sister they do?
She they work for one bank.
Bank. As security, I be
No.
As teller.
Stella, yes.
How long she done they work there?
For like 2 years.
2 years. My brother, you sure say your sister fine, so this is why they give her for 50,000.
And she fine, no.
Why she never? Okay. I not talk again. We don't agree. Peter.
Yeah, I agree with you.
We agree 50,000. We'll come back. Now, easy bit go choose who you want to take at the end.
But the problem is that when they offer penetration money, they don't get the money.
Oh, okay, you go pay. Your sister dead there?
No, she's not there.
Okay.
She
not there shop. No worry. No worry. We'll go think then we'll go let you know.
Okay.
Thank you, Peter.
I hear you.
The guest are not fine. And it's not fine. And then Mike, okay, don't talk your own. Then Lola Teniola say they do you wicked. Now because it's a bit fine pass you. Like duh. Look at me. Will you be realistic I will be realistic. Thank you. All of an way the price $1 million. That's how we are not feel. Then Peter, thank you. Now you talk money where you go feel pay. Then your sister go don't save that money. And then I will be realistic more than others. 20,000 naira. You will sell for easy be 20,000 naira. Lola, Teniola. And then I like naughty girls. Jesus. I will marry stripper, nothing bad inside. Now stripper, not be prostitute. Shut up. And then Osilama say I fit manage lawyer, but I go no say I go don't go through my past question and answer. What is this talk? Anyway, before we come up from inside studio, easy be quick. Why you no want marry stripper?
Okay, number one, stripper.
They show bum give
The stripper won't
everybody.
give everybody. And secondly, no decency for a kind of job. Decency not their kind of job, what should they do?
Just imagine say you marry stripper, then for a wedding, she cannot do that work. Then for
Because the negotiation won't give surprise package.
Wait. She go, maybe before, apart from the surprise package, then for a wedding, you will see different men, different men.
Yes.
When they're near, they go, hey, Oga, sister.
Oh, God, you don't carry our customer.
You don't care about customer. You go to wonder what's happen because if you don't know,
Yes.
if you don't know, they should come say, baby, I have a gift for you.
Okay.
Instead of a wedding dance, don't worry. You can't do. You can't blow. When you blow with it,
I gotta
you
bring
see
the
like
pole.
5 girls.
Go bring the
Just
pole.
waka.
Go bring the pole, come.
Pam.
You
Then
gotta do-
sharply go there among them. Then they can't carry pole, come. Mini match go there among them. Then they can't climb, go up. Woo! Bah! You can see where those men they shout. Yeah! Then the men when they patronize her, well,
They go begin to spray.
they go to tell her, say, what if maybe for example give her Sandra.
Okay.
Sandra, yes, go, Sandra, we are not going to spray money. Then now you now, where is it the kind of money when the men carry?
Yeah.
I go tell her, baby, go. For stripper, the army officer, Nollywood actress, fitness trainer. Why not go marry army officer? Because we know they go beat you.
No,
Why not go marry Nollywood actress?
No.
So what are you trying to say?
No. Some of voting that they do too wide. But somebody like me, I like make the person just day normal. So that lifestyle too wild. So for me, so yes.
So okay, finally, more come up for inside studio. Finally, now who you go choose for all these people now? Who you go choose to carry? Who be the person where you want carry go out now? All this price, those who don't price money, we then get. Those who never price money, we they not get. So which
Yes.
person now?
Yeah. Okay. I go. I go think about them. I'll talk on tomorrow. No. It go make sense. Yes, it go make sense.
You
I'll
think
talk
about
on
it,
tomorrow.
then talk
Yeah,
about talk on tomorrow.
Yes.
Then now come do them on Friday.
On Friday, yes. It makes sense. Yeah.
Anyway, double toilet all of now. We price easy beat. Thank you. Those of that lady we price 250. God will bless you. God will bless you. We make heaven. And then those two ladies will say a weekend. Una not go make heaven. I will promise you that you will not make heaven. But anyway, double toilet all of now. And then to Cindy wake up from Malaysia, thank you. All of now we call Agbef double toilet. And then to all of now we call thank you. Sorry, say we'll not read all the tweet messages. There's plenty. Not be all of them will go feed it because time not day. Sorry. And then to tomorrow, una good night. Good night.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.